Hey you guys, it's Miss Banks here. I'm going to show you a little bit about Schoology and how I would like you to use it and my expectations for it each week. So on your home screen, your student portal, you're going to click on the big S that's like blue and black. You're going to go up to your courses, and if you're in 5th grade, you're going to look for the 5th grade language arts or the 5th grade math. If you're in 4th grade, you're going to look for the 4th grade language arts or the 4th grade math. You're going to click on which one you want to go to for the day. So I'm going to start with the math. This video tutorial is going to be in the watch this first, so you're going to need to watch this first. And then the rest of it here, the student portal, in case you need to go back to the home screen. You have a bunch of online math resources as well as reading resources that I stuck in there for you in case you wanted to use some of the extra things. iReady's in here because that will be an assignment throughout the weeks. Going back, there's a little chat box here that you could talk to your friends, ask them a question about the assignments, or just to say hi because you miss everybody. There's also a chat box here that you can ask me questions. And down here as well, there's a daily reflection. So after you complete your work for every day, you need to come down to the daily reflection journal, click on it, and then you'll see a little date on here that you need to do a little daily reflection for each day. And what that needs to be is, what did you learn for today, or what did you do? You will also see a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday folder. So this is what you should be doing each day. Starting next Monday, you're going to click on Monday, and it's going to tell you exactly what you need to do. So you can play on extra math or play that multiplication card game that we like to play in class. So that is something that you can do on Monday. I'm going to go back. So my expectation for this is that all of these are done by Sunday at noon. So every Sunday at noon, all of your work should be submitted to me so that I can review them, and then we can move on for the next week. I miss you guys. I'm going to be available to you via Zoom anytime. I also am going to have certain office hours that I'm going to send your parents so that they can reach me as well. I miss you guys. Hope you're staying healthy, and I can't wait to see you again, hopefully soon.